Well, good morning, YouTube. Some of you may know we have a garden across the street. And today I'm just showing you a little contraption that I put together because we have no water over there. So what I have behind me here is an IBC tote that I acquired from work. And the neighbor across the street gave me this trailer. I had to put some new wheels on it. But what I do is I take the trash pump that we have down by the creek that I actually fill this with, and I mount it to the front, and then we're going to tow that over across the street to water the garden. Now I know lately we have had quite a bit of rain here, so I haven't had to do a lot of watering over there. But what I've done for when we had that dry spell was I filled this 55-gallon tub up with water. I put a sump pump in it, and then I ran a generator. And I was able to water the garden that way. But we're always looking for ways to improve here, and I think this will be a good improvement to the homestead, especially for places across the street where we have no water. I'll go down to the creek here, I'll grab the pump, I'll show you what we have, because I got to bring it up here and mount it on this trailer anyway, so I'll go down and grab that, and I'll talk to you in a few minutes. May be hard to see because the light is kind of funky down here, but there is the pump that we bought from Harbor Freight. I bought that a couple years ago when I was doing work at the camp, and we just pump water out of the creek. We pump it up the hill here at the flat land where I can put the trailer, because that weighs 1 ton when it's full, and I don't want a chance bringing that trailer all the way down here and not being able to get it back up the hill. So this is the pump. I'm going to disconnect it from here, and I'm going to pull it up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's on the trailer all connected. So here we are. I have the pump hooked up. I have it mounted. I had to make a few cuts to the board just because I didn't like the way it looked, but that's whatever. But now we got it hooked up to the tractor, and I'm going to tow it across the street, and we'll set the camera up and we'll show you how this thing works. It does have a lot of pressure. It is real powerful, so it's not something you want to spray directly at your produce in your garden, but we'll set the camera up and we'll show you how it works. Maria's already up here weeding. One thing we can do up here is grow weeds and grass, but the corn, the squash, the pumpkins, everything's coming in nice. So yeah, let me get this thing situated, and then we'll show you how it works. Why are you recording me? You're supposed to be recording the garden. All right.
You're so pretty.
Why are you following me?
Because you're so pretty.
Go sit down.
Fine.
Now you can keep the camera on me. See?
How are you folks? The star of the show.
Let's keep it G-rated. Or at least PG. So here we go. We're all set up. Hi. The camera on me. We're all set up. So I'm gonna water the lawn here real quick. It'll take about 5 to 6 minutes to get this all done now. And let me start this and show you how it works. Okay, so I don't think that took more than 5 minutes. Let me see what's on the camera here. Nope, don't really know, but that was enough water for this afternoon. And like I said, it's been raining out quite a bit here, so I don't want to totally drench it. And that is the new watering system for the garden. So I'm going to end this here. I want to thank you for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you have any different ideas, something you can help me out, that'd be great. And if you're not, if you would, hit that subscription button. And we'll talk to you next time. Thank you.